Meaning of deprecating.
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 Deprecating. The term deprecating refers to the act of expressing disapproval or criticism towards something or someone in a belittling manner. It often involves making negative comments or gestures that undermine the value or worth of the target. Such behavior can lead to reduced self-esteem, feelings of inadequacy, or a lack of confidence in the targeted individual or thing. The impact of deprecating behavior can be particularly damaging in relationships, as it can erode trust and create resentment between the parties involved. Therefore, it is generally considered inappropriate and unhelpful in most social situations.